So that doesn't fold?
So unfortunately I couldn't film while I was going through security because I had to put my camera in the bin and go under the x-ray machine, but pretty much you walk up, they'll ask you if your scooter folds, you just respectfully be like, no, it doesn't fold, and even if it's your first time going through, just say, they usually take it through and give it the wand. And the thing is with TSA people, they're just doing their job, they don't know how to handle a scooter usually unless they've done it before, so if you just confidently tell them what to do, usually they'll just do it. Because it's just a scooter, it's not that big a deal. The key thing, just say, I'm going to gate check it like a stroller. Because the workers there, they know how to handle a baby stroller, they don't know how to handle a scooter. Because what we're going to do later is we're going to get a gate check tag. So that's the key words right there. You're doing a gate check.
No.
Is it broken?
No, it's for the skate part.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want it to fold. Alright, thanks. No. No, yeah, I usually gate check it and then they... home.